What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video on the Celica. Today I'm going to be putting those seats back together and putting them back in, bolt them in, do what I gotta do. It's a little rainy today, so I'm not going to paint the bumper and do the cool stuff. I spoiled it. I was going to do like a little bumper painting stuff, like not painting the actual bumper, but give it some design and some detail, and then I'll mask it off. And this car's about ready almost to get sent to paint, so I mean, who knows? I don't know what's left other than that exhaust. I mean, I'm getting close. I'm getting freaking close. I know that. So I'm putting that back together, and then after that, see what it takes on from there. Like I said before, these are the old brackets. I'm still keeping these old brackets, but I'm just swapping the seats over with them. So they should just bolt right up in theory, but I'm gonna check it out. The bolt holes on the chair are the same, so. So mission 50% successful. Whoa! So mission 50% successful. The reason why it's only 50% successful was because I couldn't swap these bottom seat pieces because Toyota is smart and they know not to put the bolt holes in the same place. But I was able to change these top pieces, which actually I don't think is bad, because when the bottom part sinks, it's actually more like a bucket, and I feel like I have more side bolstering. Now I fixed the side bolstering, so now we're good. Like I feel in the seat. This one is now the ripped one, but I'm not planning on having a passenger all the time while I'm like racing or something like that. So this is good. I'm okay with this. I actually surprisingly like it better. And I didn't even know. What is going on, everybody? I'm back. I don't even remember the last time I recorded something. It's been a hot minute. I was gone for a minute, but I'm back now. I'm not sitting down though. So I don't even know where I left off. I think I was doing the seats in the car. I don't even know. I have no freaking idea what is even going on. How much time do I have left to record anyway? I don't even know. Man, what a random ass video. But it's getting down to short list. I'm gonna start prepping the car so it can be sanded. This is it. It's happening. Finally, the car is getting done. Holy bejesus. Let's get this done. I'm gonna start by taping it up first. Taping up like the windshield wiper, frickin' the glass. I'm gonna take the rear wing off, the front bumper off, and I'm gonna roll from there. I'm gonna do my design thing that I wanted to do. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint the roof white, and I'm gonna paint. So this part of the roof is gonna be white, and I'm gonna paint these little eyelids right here white. This right here, and then as time goes on, and these little crevices. Where this is going to be white and these little crevices, I'm going to do like a red, and I'm just going to have everything like tie together, nice bright colors. Since it's like a brighter colored car, kind of looks, it's probably going to look a little girly. I don't really know though until I try. Worst comes to worst, I could always change it and make it black, because once you go black, you never go. Okay, let's get started. thank you everyone for watching. I'm going to end the video off here, just so nothing gets like dragged on for a super long time. In the next episode, I'm going to finish sanding out the car. Sanding, just sanding, what do I need to say, sanding out. I'm going to finish sanding the car. She's going to be off to paint. She looks really good right now, like really good. So thank you everyone for watching, and I'll catch you later. Peace.